Section 6B, Simulations. So a simulation is, like I said with experimental probability, running an experiment, creating the probability that you know you want to have, and seeing what happens. So in this case we have a trivia game. We're going to talk about this one right here. A trivia game. In a trivia game, a player answers one of three questions on a card, two of which are multiple choice. So two of the three questions are multiple choice. What could be best used to simulate getting a multiple choice question? Now we already know that the simulation, or the probability of getting a multiple choice question, is 2/3. So there's quite a few different ways that you could create this probability on a simulation. The most common that you see is a spinner broken up into three sections, three equal sections, and then you would fill in the appropriate spaces to show that probability. So let's say these are all equal pieces, and we would shade in 2/3 of it. So you would have a spinner, and that spinner would spin, and you would have a probability of 2/3 of getting the shaded region, and you would say that the shaded region represents a multiple choice question. That is one way. You could also roll a dice. So this is a spinner. You could also roll a die, and we know that on a dice there are 6 chances, or 6 different results, and you need 2/3 probability. Well, right now every number is 1/6 probability, but if you picked 4 of them, then that's 2/3 of the possibilities. So 4/6 reduces to 2/3, and that's the probability we want. So you'd have to have a rule, and you would say that I'm going to roll the dice. If I happen to get a 1, 2, 3, or 4, then that means that that person picked a multiple choice question. So again, recreating that probability through a simulation, this in one case using a die, and in one case using a spinner.